Hi, I'm Kristyn owner of Been Beyond. Today's Inferno exercise focus is chair squats. Chair squats are a great exercise in and of themselves and also form the foundation for a variety of other exercises taught in our Inferno classes. Chair squats strengthen your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, and can give you a great cardio boost when you pick up the pace. Before you start moving faster though, form is key. Let's take a closer look to get some tips on alignment. Chair squat. It all starts with a good foundation. Make sure your feet are hip width apart. This is what makes it a chair squat. Heels behind your toes. It's very common for us to see heels in or heels out. So make sure your heels are invisible but behind your toes throughout your chair squat exercise. Kneecaps point straight ahead. Hands at heart center. Always important to tie up your internal corset. Remember, all movement in our Inferno classes stems from your powerhouse. So pull your navel in, find that strong engagement. Take an inhale as you sit down into the chair. Make sure hips do not go down below the knees here. Thighs no further than parallel to the floor. As you exhale out the mouth, explode out, back to your starting position. Keep the weight back to the heels, knees away from the mirror or the wall in front of you. A common mistake we see is to bring the body weight too far forward into the toes, letting the knees go forward. This turns it more into a knee squat than using the glutes, the hamstrings, and the quadriceps. So instead, bring the weight back to the heels, knees away from the wall that you're looking at. Engage the glutes. Draw your sit bones towards one another on the backside, and then power up out of your squat. Another common mistake is to let your core go, collapsing in the spine and rounding the shoulders as you sit down. Instead, belly in, neutral spine, shoulders back and down, chest up, wide across the collarbone. Look straight ahead. Keep this alignment as you power up and as you go throughout your chair squat to get the most benefit. We have several variations that we use that include the chair squat. For instance, chair squat, step back lunge. As you're doing your step back lunge, come back to the same chair squat position. Knees away from the wall in front of you. Another one of our favorites is the side to side step squat. Squatting down and working side to side. Yes, back and forth down your mat. Keep your hips low here, belly engaged, and again, weight to the heels, knees away from the wall in front of you. Keep these tips in mind next time you make it to your mat, and we hope you'll get more out of your practice with us. See you soon.